We're going to show you how to use stitching punches to punch holes in leather. These are the Sinabroks stitching punches. They come in 2 holes all the way up to 8 holes here. One of the things you look for is the distance between each hole. So these are the 6mm distance between each hole, and they're the 2mm hole diameter. They come in 1.2, 1.5 in a variety of distances. So depending on what you're going for, distance of punch, thickness of material, you can determine which one you need here. They have a solid brass handle, stainless steel tips, and highly polished tip ends. That's one of the most important things, because when you punch through, you want to make sure that you can pull it out with ease. You're not moving it around a lot and opening up that hole. So compared to the pricking irons, stitching punches create the bigger hole. They actually punch holes of leather out. So if that's your aesthetic, great. Or if you're using thicker thread or thin leather cording, something too thick for regular stitching irons, the punches create a bigger hole. They also come with a small Allen wrench and replacement hole punch. So you can see on the back here, they're easily replaceable. So should you break one, you can easily remove it and replace it. And they come with a couple screws too. So here is a piece of leather that we're going to cut through, about 2.5 ounces. This is what the stitching irons create. So the stitching punches are going to be a little different. So line that up here on the edge. I like to use a heavier mallet, so it's 1 blow is really all you should need. We're using a vinyl pricking pad here, so you're not going to damage the teeth. It'll give it a bit of a longer life. So you can see we come right through there. So that is how you use the Sinabroks stitching punches.